first graders. So today we're going to be doing an activity. It's called Add the Magic E. It says directions, read the one vowel word, add magic E or super E to the word, draw the new word that you've made. So I'll do one with you and then I'll let you do the rest. So this one says cub. So if I write it again, I'd write cub, and then I'd remember, I need to put that closer, then I'd remember the E tickles the U to say its own name, U, cube. And then you get to draw a picture. So maybe I'll draw a little cube, a fancy little box, okay? So the next ones are kit, pin, can, and plan. Okay, let me turn the page. The next thing you'll be doing today is you will read the story and highlight the long vowel words. So we're looking for our super E again. Then answer the questions. So let me look at just the top row. Oh, I see super E there, so I would get my yellow crayon and I would highlight it, just like this. See that? Will, no super E. Ooh, there's a super E. Race. His car. He will. Nope, no more super E's on that line. Then, after you finish reading it, you'll answer the questions. Okay? So, I will go over that on the next video, the answers. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Bye.